Last week, I met a guy at a cafe. We talked for maybe 5 minutes, and honestly, I still can't stop thinking about how good that conversation felt. He barely spoke about himself, yet it felt like we'd been friends for years. How did he do it? He was using principles from Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. And today, I'll share 6 simple tricks he used, so you can leave the same powerful impression on anyone you meet. Principle 1. Become genuinely interested in other people. People can spot fake interest a mile away. But real curiosity changes everything. Instead of talking about your day, ask, "Hey, how's your project going?" and watch them light up. Principle 2. Smile. Simple, right? But powerful. A real smile says, "I'm glad you're here." Think about it. When someone greets you with a smile in a shop, you feel more welcome instantly. Smiling is free, and it pays back right away. Principle 3. Remember that a person's name is to them the sweetest sound. Notice how your mood lifts when someone says your name warmly. Instead of just saying, "Thanks," try, "Thanks Alex, I really appreciate your help." It makes huge difference. Principle 4. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Most don't listen, they just wait to speak. Next time, let them finish. Ask, "Oh, how did that make you feel?" You'll be amazed how much people open up. Principle 5. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Think about this. If you love football and someone brings it up, you instantly light up. That's the trick. Find what excites the other person. If your friend loves cooking, ask about their new recipe. If your coworker is into gaming, mention the latest release. Talking in their language builds instant connection. Principle 6. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. This doesn't mean flattery. It means recognizing their value. For example, telling your colleague, "I couldn't have finished this without your help." It makes them feel truly appreciated. Everyone wants to matter, so give them that gift, sincerely. So here's the secret. Being likable isn't about being the funniest, smartest, or most popular person in the room. It's about making others feel good about themselves. Smile, use names, listen deeply, talk about what excites them, and make them feel important. Do this, and people won't just like you. They'll love being around you. And remember, people may forget your words, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. If this video gave you value, share it with someone you care about, because the fastest way to keep these principles alive is to practice them together. And hey, this was just part 2. In the next video, we'll dive into how to influence people to your way of thinking, without arguments or manipulation. You don't want to miss that one. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together.